When we think about the future of cars, we often imagine sleek, futuristic designs that break the rules of what's possible. Concept cars are the dreamers of the automotive world, bold ideas that often never hit the road, but push the boundaries of design, technology, and innovation. These cars show us what the future could look like. But the question is, why do automakers create concept cars, and why don't we always see them on the streets? Let's take a deep dive into the world of concept cars and explore the dreams, challenges, and realities behind them. The concept cars are prototype vehicles created by automakers to showcase new technologies, designs, and innovative ideas. They're often introduced at major auto shows like the Geneva International Motor Show or the Detroit Auto Show, where manufacturers can show off their vision for the future. These cars are typically one of a kind, built for display rather than production. At their core, concept cars are more about exploring possibilities than creating something that will necessarily end up on the market. They allow manufacturers to test out ideas in a real-world context without the constraints of mass production. Whether it's a new electric powertrain, autonomous driving technology, or a radical design, concept cars provide a glimpse into what the future of transportation could be. Automakers create concept cars for several reasons. One of the main goals is to generate excitement and buzz around their brand. By introducing a flashy, futuristic concept, manufacturers can captivate their audience and draw attention to their vision for the future. It's a marketing tool, but it's also a way for companies to demonstrate their capabilities in design and technology. Another reason automakers create concept cars is to showcase new technologies. Take electric vehicles, for example. The first electric concept cars were often a statement about what automakers were doing to reduce emissions and push for a greener future. While many of those early models never made it to production, they served as stepping stones for the electric vehicle market we see today. Concept cars also provide automakers with valuable feedback from the public and the media. A concept car might spark conversation about a certain feature or design, and automakers can use that feedback to refine their future models. Even if the car itself doesn't make it to production, the ideas behind it might inspire future designs and technologies. While concept cars are often known for their wild designs, it's the technology inside that really sets them apart, some of which we may not even see in the market for years. For autonomous driving features to advanced battery technology, concept cars are used to test out the latest in automotive innovation. These cars are often packed with cutting-edge technology. One of the most exciting aspects is their potential to introduce new ways of thinking about car design. For example, many concept cars feature advanced autonomous driving capabilities and augmented reality dashboards. Some concept cars, like the Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in Motion, even imagine a world where the interior of the car is reconfigured for comfort and relaxation, rather than just driving. Electric powertrains, autonomous driving systems, and new forms of communication between cars are all areas that concept cars can help automate and refine. These technologies might not make it to market immediately, but they help shape the direction of the industry. Design and aesthetics. When it comes to design, concept cars are where automakers can get creative without worrying about things like safety regulations, cost constraints, or practicality. Designers have the freedom to create something bold, futuristic, and eye-catching. In fact, many concept cars are built to be almost too wild for the streets. Take the Jaguar C-X75, for example. This hypercar concept combined a stunning design with futuristic technology, featuring a striking aerodynamic exterior. While it was never intended for mass production, the design influence can still be seen in future Jaguar models. Concept cars also give automakers a chance to experiment with new materials and forms. We've seen concepts made from carbon fiber, lightweight composites, and even transparent materials that make the car feel more like a spaceship than a vehicle for the road. The design possibilities are endless, and these cars push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of aesthetics. If concept cars are so cool, why don't they make it to production? The answer is simple: practicality. While concept cars are often amazing feats of design and technology, they're often impractical for mass production. For starters, the cost involved in manufacturing a concept car are astronomical. Automakers may be able to create 1 or 2 prototypes, but scaling up for mass production is often not financially feasible. Features like extravagant materials, complex designs, or high-tech systems might not be cost-effective for everyday consumers. Then there's the issue for safety regulations. Concept cars often don't meet the stringent safety standards required for road use. Features like open cockpits, futuristic shapes, or unconventional door mechanisms may look great on the show floor, but they're not street legal. Automakers would need to completely redesign parts of the car to make it safe for public roads. Even though concept cars often never make it into production in their original form, they still have a significant impact on the cars we drive today. Many elements make their way into regular production vehicles, even if they're slightly toned down or modified. Take the BMW i8 for example. The i8 was based on a concept car that was unveiled years before it hit the market. The futuristic design, hybrid powertrain, and advanced materials were all present in the concept version, and while the production car was less extreme, it still carried the essence of the concept. Many automakers use concept cars to test out new ideas and gather public opinion. For instance, if a concept car receives a great deal of positive feedback for its design or technology, automakers might incorporate those elements into future production models. This process helps car companies understand what customers want and where the market is heading. As we look towards the future, concept cars will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the automotive landscape. With advancements in electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and connected car technology, the next generation of concept cars may look even more radically different than what we're used to. In the coming years, we may see concept cars that fully embrace artificial intelligence, flying car concepts, or cars that completely rethink the driving experience. With so much innovation on the horizon, one thing is clear: concept cars will remain an exciting window into the future of mobility, giving us a glimpse of the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Enjoyed this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.